I live my life a quarter mile at a time. Nothing else matters. For those 10 seconds or less, I'm free.
I guess it comes down to a simple choice. Get busy living, or get busy dying.
The police are in pursuit of this, and they lost him for a while because he got so far out in front of them, but the tracker helped them pinpoint exactly where he was. So they narrowed their focus down in this chase, clearly using the feeder now, the side over there on the emergency shoulder, trying to get around all of these cars. Following this for about the past 10 minutes, actually trying to catch up with us. They're ahead of him, coming up to I-10 here. We're heading eastbound now, and probably about 100 miles an hour or so, if not faster.
Yeah, Don, that car is moving
pursuit.
so fast. I'm not getting mixed minus on my IFB, by the way. I'm getting feedback, so I'm turning it down.